Now, South Africa is in for major change in the structure of its government as well, with the African National Congress that has ruled single-handedly for the last 30 years now having to seek coalition partners. With 99% of the votes counted, the ANC vote share stands at just 40%, far below the 57% it held earlier. An official declaration of results by South Africa's Election Commission is to happen on Sunday evening. Here's what the vote picture looks like. Votes picture looks like here. The ANC, it had dipped way below the majority mark. The main opposition party, that's the Democratic Alliance, is 21% of the vote share. The new MK party, formed by former President Jacob Zuma, who once led ANC but stepped down after corruption charges, came third with just over 14%. And the Radical Economic Freedom Fighters is on 9%. The new president would typically be elected 2 weeks after the final results. Parliament has to convene and elect a president within 14 days of the formal announcement of the final election results. The ANC will need to form a coalition government with one or more of the opposition parties. It remains to be seen whether it will join hands with the DA-MK or one of the smaller players. Negotiations are predicted to be complicated, with several parties, including the MK party, refusing to back Ramaphosa as president. Despite the uncertainty, South African opposition parties have hailed the new political picture as a much-needed change. Meanwhile, former South African President Jacob Zuma, who heads the MK party, has threatened legal action, demanding that the announcement of the country's election results be stopped till allegations of vote rigging made by his party are addressed. For more on this, our correspondent Carlton Ongmu sends us this report from Johannesburg. Listen to this.
Africa's oldest liberation movement, ANC, that freed the country from the apartheid regime, has lost its two-thirds majority 30 years after democracy. This is massive and historical. The political landscape in South Africa has shifted drastically. Now the ANC is left with no choice but to humble itself and find coalition partners. South Africans are excited for a new dawn, but whether the coalition government will work for South Africans, it's still uncertain. But one thing is for sure, it's going to be very difficult for ANC to go back to its former glory. This is Carlton Ongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.